Ghana chicken light soup is what we are having today. Welcome to this channel where I share with you how to make perfect traditional simple recipe. Make sure to subscribe for new videos every Monday and Thursday. To make this light soup, you will need these vegetables and some basils. Now I'm using fresh basils, but you can use dry basils. That is also very good to use. Now put all in a blender, add some water to it and blend it. Add in some chopped onions, give it a stir and cover to cook again for additional 10 minutes. It is 10 minutes because I am using hard chicken, but then when you're using soft chicken, make sure to steam the meat for at least 10 minutes. Add in some tomato, onion and let it cook for a minute. Now blend the garden eggs, pepper and turkey berries and strain it into the chicken soup. Add in some carrots to cover to start boiling. The reason I added the carrots is just to thicken the soup. But then if you want your soup to be light, just omit the carrot. Immediately it starts to boil, add in about 1/3 of some smoked tilapia. I mean the one from Ghana Street. Just to give it some nice and pleasant taste and flavor. Remove the tomato, onion and carrot to blend. Hey yummies, welcome to this channel. My name is Yummy Cash, and if today is the first time on this channel, kindly go through most of my videos, and if it interests you, why not subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification icon. After blending your tomatoes, pour it into your soup, stir a little and cover the soup to cook. Now you can rinse the blender and add the liquid to the soup. Make sure to taste for salt. Kindly forgive me for my voice today. I am having a serious cold. Yes, that is why. And you know the weather is changing. Now the tilapia, if you're making this soup, I would advise you add in some tilapia because it is really nice. Now once it starts to boil, cover it halfway and let it simmer till oil comes on top of it. Serve with your fufu and thank me later. Thank you very much for watching this video. Kindly watch my other videos and don't forget to do everything in love. Whenever you go hungry or whenever you think food, think Yummy Cash. Choose.